Happy Chinese New Year! Hong Ji Fat Fong. Is that? I don't know how to say it. I'm looking at Fangalang and Ding Dong, which is not helping me. Anyway, Happy Chinese New Year! But before Chinese New Year, we need to know what the weather's doing. So the only way we're going to find out about the weather is to go to our famous meteorologist, who is a little bit sick. He's got a bit of a chest infection and he might cough a little bit. But, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give it up for Sean, the meteorologist!
Thanks for that, Jay. And this week is Chinese New Year or Valentine's Day. I can't remember. Or is it both, Jay?
Hold on, Sean, let me come round.
You should know this. Valentine's Day is like your favourite day of the year.
Valentine's Day, or Sad Lonely Person's Day, is the 14th of February. We are nowhere near that. We're in the last week of January, which is Hung Voi Chu Fat, which means Happy New Year in Chinese.
I'm married, so Valentine's Day doesn't mean
Don't
anything.
talk about Valentine's. Look, Chinese New Year.
Happy Chinese New Year, and straight to the weather. If this is your very first time watching our weather, I feel sorry for you.
What's she doing behind the camera?
Yes, let's not talk about that.
Okay.
Gary's got a new girlfriend.
Gary's got a new girlfriend.
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend, girlfriend. I don't know what it's same-sex marriage now in Thailand.
I saw that.
Woohoo!
Anyway, if this is your first time watching us, we do a weather update every single week to give you an idea of what's going on. The
That's
reason
right.
we do that is because in Phuket, no app is ever accurate. They always say it's going to rain, and it never rains.
I need some rain because my pineapple in my garden needs some liquid. I got 2 pineapple trees in my garden.
I'm going to go for a walk in your house tonight. You want me to drop past and give some liquid?
What? Excuse me? Sean, don't be so rude.
Anyway, for the weather, we use 3 apps here locally. We use Windy,
Which is good.
because of
The wind dictates what the weather's going to do, basically, here in Phuket.
we use the TMD radar, which Jay says is
It's
useless.
rubbish and it's pointless because it only shows you the exact thing that's happening right now, and it's so small on Sean's screen, and we do a weekly weather forecast, so it means nothing apart from the day we're shooting it. And as we're shooting this a day earlier than normal, it means even more than nothing. It means much more than nothing. It means nothing.
And AccuWeather.
Yeah, it's about as accurate as my weather forecast with some seaweed hanging from a little thing in my garden, and it goes dry, it means it's hot, and when it's wet, it means it's raining. There you go.
And today's weather is brought to you by Starbucks' new drink.
What? Are we sponsored by
it's water.
Starbucks?
Yeah, no, we're not. We have to say
Oh.
that, right? We can't say that we are and then we're not.
Are we not sponsored by Starbucks?
No, we're not.
We tried bloody Dr. Pepper for about 2 years, and that didn't get us
I quit
anything.
with Dr. Pepper. I got 2 cans over there.
Where'd you get them from?
I don't know, someone gave them to me.
Oh, we should go back to doing Dr. Pepper.
Anyway, so...
Yes. What's the weather doing, Sean?
Because the weather's going to come out on Saturday, we're going to talk about Sunday.
Are we?
There's some green wind. What does green mean, Jay?
Green means it's a bit windier. Blue's good, purple's awesome, yellow's terrible.
So green in the morning, what's your prediction for the afternoon?
It's going to go
Afternoon?
blue.
Oh, how'd you know?
Because I know the weather is high season.
Actually, in the high season, the pattern is a little bit high in the morning, a little bit low in the afternoon. Looking forward to Monday.
Shall I tell you why? It's all to do with sea breezes, Sean. As the land heats up and the pressure systems move. No, carry on.
Monday morning, what do you think colour is?
Monday morning, I'm going to go without looking green.
Yep. Monday afternoon,
Blue.
green.
Ah, damn it. This is fun game. I like this game.
Monday, you can see over here, off towards the Samui area, looks like a storm.
No one cares about Samugi. We're nowhere near Samugi.
No, so it won't affect us here in Phuket, but what it does is increase the amount of wind that we're going to have over on our side of the
Ooh.
island.
And this here, this blue bit, which is always blue, is similar islands apparently.
Yes. Tuesday.
Green,
morning,
Sean.
Green and blue.
Oh,
and
hold
yellow.
on. What's that patch there? Why is there no wind in that area?
Looks like there's going to be a mountain range there. Tuesday morning looks a little bit windy, to be honest. Tuesday afternoon, it's calmed down again.
But look, same spot.
Yeah.
This is awesome, this place.
Wednesday morning, a little bit windy in the morning again. Wednesday afternoon, coming down again.
Same again though, look.
You know, Jay, this is a very repetitive forecast. I will only report if it's different.
No, I told you this. We keep doing these weekly weather videos until it kills us.
Okay, well.
It's good for SEO, Sean. Come on.
Oh, look, Friday morning.
Friday. I'm going out Friday.
Yeah, Friday, calm all day. Wow.
Wow, when's that?
And that's for the last day of the month. Is that good luck? Does
Is
that
that-
mean like the next month we're going to have good weather?
Is that the 31st?
Yeah.
Isn't that Chinese New Year?
Happy Chinese New Year.
Hong Kong, choo fat.
Stop it. Get some help.
We should say Hong Kong. That's probably I'm going to get
We're gonna
killed
get
by
banned.
the Chinese people.
No, our YouTube channel's going to get
Oh
shut
no,
down.
don't get... YouTube's not in China, is it? I'm not sure it's allowed to be. I don't know.
Is TikTok still around?
TikTok is. We're not. Are we on TikTok?
I think we don't have it. It's banned or something, right?
We got kicked off TikTok for a little while.
We got kicked off.
Yeah, we did.
Well, you should
We had
be recording.
150 views and then they got kicked off.
You should be putting your OnlyFans content on.
Yes, I was naked with a sea urchin on me.
Let's win. So, looking forward for the week.
So basically, next weekend's good, this week's rubbish.
So the model of weather for the week is a little windy in the morning, calming down in the afternoon. As you get towards the middle of the week, it's a little bit windier than at the start, and at the end, it comes down to being a nice
Is that
week.
your summary? Good summary,
Yes.
mate.
Looking over to AccuWeather, and I have no idea why we look at it. I haven't even refreshed.
AccuWeather is basically your standard weather forecast that you get all year round. It says the same thing. During this time of year, it will say, I reckon 31 to 34 degrees as temperature. It will say a 40% chance of rain, and it will say thunderstorms likely.
I don't know if Jay's reading from the screen or if he's reading from the reflection on the
I'm
phone.
pretty right,
That's
aren't I?
100% correct.
Yeah, well, when I used to do the radio years ago, we used to have to do the stupid weather, and it was the same weather every time, and we used to use this forecast. It's pointless.
And we're going to look at Jay's pointless TMD radar, which shows a little bit of rain over
But that
Krabi,
shows it for
nothing
today,
there.
and we're recording this on Friday afternoon, right? So it's pointless because no one needs this for the rest of the week. It doesn't show anything anyway. What does it show? Nothing.
And if you have a question about a specific date, time, month, or year, Jay is going to reply to every comment this week.
No, because no one commented 2 weeks ago on my birthday. No one said happy birthday. Then last week when we did the weather, no one really watched it anyway because it's high season. No one really cares about the weather during high season. And people aren't going to watch this until it gets low season when there's flood. Everyone's going, floods in Phuket, and then we get a million views.
Hi, Jay's mum.
She doesn't watch.
Oh, I'm going to send her a copy.
She's here soon. She's bringing me some gifts from England. I'm getting Walker's French fries, which I really like, salad cream, which is really expensive here, and I'm getting some pickling mix to make pickled onions. Who are you looking at? Who are you looking at over there? Why are you looking? Who's sending you messages?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Oh, someone's ringing you.
Yeah.
Oh, you better
Okay,
take that.
phone.
Yeah, that looks like that is an important call. That's why he's gone all quickly. Yeah, come on in, answer it. We'll wait for you to finish. Say goodbye then. Don't just look at them. Say goodbye.
That's it. Bye-bye already.
All right, bye.
Like, comment, subscribe.